Most AI storyboard tools don't understand stories. They understand angles, frames, camera shots. But stories? Nope. And that's exactly why most cinematic ideas die inside your head. So today, I typed one sentence and I got a complete cinematic storyboard with structure, continuity, and flow. This is Invideo Vision, and honestly, this should not be free. Here's the brutal truth. Most AI storyboard tools don't actually understand stories. What they really do is give you multiple images of the same moment, just framed in slightly different ways. There's no clear beginning, no sense of progression, and no real payoff at the end. So instead of a story, you're left with a bunch of disconnected frames that don't go anywhere. So the Invideo Vision completely changes how storyboarding works. Instead of asking, how should this shot look, it focuses on something more important. How does this story move forward? So now, let's quickly see how we can create scenes for our story and turn them into a video. To get started, open Invideo Vision using the link in the description. Once you're on the page, you'll see this interface. From here, just click Create AI Video. Okay, now click Motion Graphics, then select Vision and Open Boards. Next, click New Project, give your project a name, and hit Create. Once you're inside, this is where you explain your story or describe the scenes you want to create. If you want a quick start, I've already made a prompt list for you. You can find that in the description below. For this demo, I'll pick one of those prompts because I'm going to create scenes for a commercial ad. Now just paste the prompt here. If you have any reference images, you can add them here as well. Then select the correct aspect ratio, click Generate, and wait a few seconds for Vision to create the scenes for you. Awesome! The scenes for our commercial are now generated. Let's take a look at how it turned out. As you can see, this works perfectly for a commercial. The character stays consistent across every scene, and all the shots are clearly connected. That makes it much easier to turn these scenes into a complete video. Okay, now let's try creating a short scene for a story about a boy who's trying to buy a bicycle by selling lemonade. See, friends, how the character stays consistent and all the shots are connected? Now, let's see how we can extract these shots and start turning each scene into a video. Okay, to extract a shot, first attach this storyboard image to the prompt. Then go to Trends and click Extract Shots. Here in the prompt box, just type which shot you want to extract. For this demo, I'm going to extract all the shots from the storyboard one by one. Okay, you can clearly see that the first shot we extracted looks exactly the same as it did in the storyboard. Now let me extract the rest of the shots, one by one. All right, all the shots are now extracted. Let's move on to the final step. Now we'll start turning these shots into actual video clips. To turn a shot into a video, first open the shot you want to use and click Attach to Prompt. Next, open the Model section, switch to the Video tab, and choose any video generation model you like. For this example, I'll go with Kling 2.6. Now, in the prompt box, describe the motion or action you want the character to perform. Once that's done, just click Generate and Vision will start creating the video for you. Awesome! The video is now generated. At this point, you can download the clip and repeat the same process to create videos from the other shots. For this demo, I won't generate every single clip, but I'll show you the final result at the end of the video. And that's how you can use Invideo Vision to create movies, cinematic trailers, commercial videos, and more. This is a powerful tool for content creators and influencers who want to promote products or tell stories through high-quality video. If you found this video helpful, feel free to share it with your marketing team or a friend. Drop a like, leave a comment, and comment prompt if you want access to my prompt list to create even better results. I'll be back with a new video soon. Until then, take care, and I'll see you in the next one.